Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the crypto. Com app and creating your account, verify your email and enable two-factor or biometrics for security. Next, complete identity verification with your passport or driver's license plus a selfie. This allows fiat deposits and higher limits. Once done, connect a bank account or add a debit/credit card so you can fund purchases. Make sure to check fees and processing times, because card instant buys cost more than ACH or SEPA transfers. Once your funding source is active, deposit fiat using a bank transfer for lower fees. Wait for confirmation before buying if you want to avoid declined orders. Then tap Buy, choose Bitcoin BTC, and enter either the dollar amount or BTC amount you want. The app shows fees and the delivered price. Review them. If you prefer control, use orders and set a limit price. This executes only when BTC reaches that level, so you avoid buying at temporarily spiked prices. After purchase, consider moving Bitcoin to the crypto. DeFi wallet or to an external hardware wallet for self-custody. Holding on the exchange is convenient but increases custodial risk. When sending BTC, always confirm the network, address, and fee. Use recommended networks to avoid loss. If your buy fails, check KYC verification, ensure your bank transfer cleared, and verify available balance. If problems persist, try a smaller test amount or re-add payment method, because many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.